Welcome to Being in Essence.
Time is the most valuable commodity we possess. From the moment we're born, our bodies begin to decay, and every second counts. Yet, many of us waste precious moments on fleeting pursuits that don't align with our goals, passions, and aspirations. The dash between our birth and death dates is all that separates us from leaving a lasting legacy in this fleeting existence. It's crucial to prioritize what truly matters. Take time to reflect on your goals and aspirations. Write them down daily, no matter how small they may seem. Achieving these goals is not just about making it through the day. It's about living life on purpose as you strive to better yourself. Remember that the key to fulfillment lies in living for that dash in the middle, the space between birth and death. This is where you'll find your why, your reason for being. When your why is big enough to move your family tree, you'll know you're on the right path. Don't let life slip away while you're stuck in a rut. Take control of your physical health by making conscious choices about your diet and exercise. Nurture your environment by surrounding yourself with positivity and inspiration. Your career should be a source of fulfillment, not a means of just passing time. If you're unhappy in your job, it's time to reassess and make a change. Your environment can either nourish or poison your soul. Choose wisely. The greatest tragedy is leaving this world without leaving a trace. What will be different because you came into this world? What will be remembered long after you're gone? Find your why by writing it down. Is it something that moves you to tears? Is it big enough to change the course of your life and those around you? When your why meets your passion and opportunity, you'll discover your purpose. Don't just exist. Live life on purpose. And remember, the most important day in your life is the day you remember why you were born.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share.